Education Services Program for People with Disabilities. Persons with disabilities, according to the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, include those who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual, or sensory impairments which, in interaction with various barriers, may hinder their full and effective participation in society on an equal basis with others. The mandate of the DOH to come up with a national health program for PWD was based on Republic Act No. 7277, which is an act providing for the rehabilitation and self-reliance of disabled persons and their integration into the mainstream of society and for other purposes. Or it is otherwise known as the Magna Carta for Disabled Persons, and the implementing rules and regulations of RA 7277. This document stipulated that the DOH is required to first, institute a national health program for persons with disabilities. Second, establish medical rehabilitation centers in provincial hospitals. And third, adopt an integrated and comprehensive program to the health development of PWD, which shall make essential health services available to them at affordable cost. In response to this, the DOH issued Administrative Order No. 2006-003, which specifically provides the strategic framework and operational guidelines for the implementation of health programs for persons with disabilities. They are given a chance to study and be productive in the community. Schools for persons with disabilities are established for them where they can study. Public schools are also catering these students to give them their convenience. Each city in the provinces has these programs to maximize the capabilities of these people. Peace and Security Services. Filipino should live peacefully in our country. One of the services that the government offered to us is peace and security. If the government officials can ensure the safety of the citizens, people will not have to worry about their safety all the time, and they can have more time to focus on their personal growth and development. There is an agency that is tasked to maintain peace and order in the country. The Department of National Defense is mandated to safeguard the country against external and internal threats to national peace and security, promote the welfare of soldiers and veterans, and provide support for economic and social development. Under this agency is the Armed Forces of the Philippines, which is responsible for defending the people from different threats from outside and inside the country. The AFP is composed of Philippine Navy, Philippine Army, and Philippine Air Force. The Philippine National Police, or the PNP, enforces laws and protects the rights of the Filipino people. Economic Services. The government also offers economic services to the Filipino citizens so that they can earn money and live. This service aims to give people the chance to have decent jobs. An agency called Department of Labor and Employment, or DOLE, which is located in almost every town, is the one who is conducting job fairs regularly. Educating the farmers is one of the services that the government offered. This way, the production of their products will improve. Fishermen as well are taught modern ways to catch fish and process it to earn big profits. OFWs are also one of the individuals which the government cared of. The Philippine Overseas Employment Administration is an agency that looks after the welfare of the OFWs. They make sure that the documents are legal before they go to the different countries. Social Services. Some of the infrastructures that we see in our surroundings are services offered from the government. They also assist people who don't have enough resources to support their daily living. Many government programs also provide low-cost housing units. Agencies such as the National Housing Authority, Social Security System, Government Service Insurance System, and Pag-ibig help the government in this. They also give relocations to the people who are affected with calamities, especially those people who lives in the dangerous areas.